Good day to all my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a Maharashtrian recipe. Let's make Tendli Bhat, also known as Tondli Bhat. This is rice cooked with some spices, onion, ginger, garlic and ivy gourd. You can cut the ivy gourd in long strips or roundels any way you want. And the key ingredient which goes into this rice, flavors this rice, is the Goda masala. Little bit of this spice mix adds amazing flavors. So make it at home. I had shared this video I think last year. So I will share the link here in the description box. You check it out. Homemade masalas are always the best. So let's prepare the Tendli Bhat with homemade spice mix and enjoy it. Tendli Bhat. Spicy ivy gourd pilaf from Maharashtrian cuisine. For this we'll require Tendli or ivy gourd, about 250 grams. Wash them well and cut into long strips or roundels. Rice 1.5 cups or as needed. 1 onion. Oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. Desi ghee 2 tablespoons. Peanuts few. You can use cashew nuts also instead. Goda masala 2 to 3 teaspoons. You can check the link how to make this at home. This is the key ingredient. Some coriander leaves, about handful. Red chilli powder, half teaspoon. Salt as needed. Green chillies 1 or 2. If you like it spicy, add more. Grated ginger 1 tablespoon. Crushed garlic 1 tablespoon. Grated coconut about 3 tablespoons. Asafoetida or hing 2 pinches. Mustard seeds 1 teaspoon. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Few curry leaves. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. And here we have cinnamon 1-inch piece broken into 2 and 3 green cardamoms. All these ingredients list is also available in the description box. Now in a pan heat oil. Once it becomes hot, reduce the flame. Add asafoetida, mustard and cumin seeds. We'll also add the cinnamon and cardamoms. Allow them to crackle. Toss them a bit. After some time you'll get a nice aroma from the cinnamon and cardamoms. Now you can add the ginger and garlic and the curry leaves. Toss them a bit until the ginger garlic color changes. At this stage you can dip in the green chillies followed by onions. Now we are going to saute the onions until they are light brown in color. A small request to all the new visitors, do subscribe to my channel so that you get notifications about the videos I post. Click on the bell icon and choose all option. Here now the onion is light brown in color. Now you can add the ivy gourd strips. You can cut them long or into roundels also, but long ones look better. Toss them. We'll cover and let them cook on low flame until they are a bit cooked. Sauteing always gives a good taste to the vegetables. You can see now they are bit more cooked and light brown in color. Now at this stage you can add the turmeric, chilli powder, salt. We are adding little salt now, some later after adding the rice. Stir everything. Here goes the key ingredient, Goda masala, but add half of it now, half later while you add the rice. This is what gives the bhat a typical traditional taste and flavor. Now add quarter cup of water and cook the ivy gourd until all the flavors of the spices are absorbed into it. We are going to cover the lid and let it cook on low flame. It takes about a minute or so. Always this slow cooking method is very good. It gives flavor to the vegetables. Cooks them to perfection. Now it is half done. Lovely color. You can see they are crunchy and nice. Add the peanuts or cashew nuts, whatever you like. These are roasted peanuts. And about 1 tablespoon of grated coconut. Some we are saving for later and for garnishing. Add some coriander leaves. Washed and soaked rice. It's important to soak the rice at least for 1 hour. Now using the same cup that you measured the rice with, measure water. For 1.5 cups of rice, I am adding 2.5 cups of water to get a grainy texture. If you don't mind the pulao little mushy, you can add double quantity. Give it a gentle stir. Add some Goda masala again, as much as you like, because it's quite pungent. Little salt. Stir them. Check the salt. The spice level is entirely up to you. You can make it less spicy or more spicy. Now we are going to cover the lid and let it cook on medium flame first and then reduce the flame. This can be cooked also in the rice cooker. At this stage you can transfer all the ingredients into the rice cooker and you don't have to do anything until they are done. If you are using pressure cooker, cook up to 1 whistle and switch it off. But I like this traditional method of cooking, which really gives flavors. Slow cooking always gives flavors to the dish. After 3 to 4 minutes, the water is entirely absorbed, you can see, and you can spoon in the ghee or clarified butter, about 2 tablespoons. Gently stir the rice so that it doesn't break. Now at this stage we will reduce the flame and cook it on low flame. Best way is keep a griddle or tawa, make it hot and place the pan over it. Keep it for dum 2 to 3 minutes and it will be perfectly ready. Dish it out, garnish with some peanuts, grated coconut and coriander leaves. For accompaniments you can serve some pickle, green chilli Thecha and some raita. The recipe links of Thecha and Boondi Raita are given in the description box. I hope you enjoy this dish. Thanks for watching, and here are some videos from the archives. You can check them out as well. Take care. Bye until next.